Photographers, do you want to know the easiest way to design and order an album just like this without messing up the spine, without cropping into the image where you don't want to? I'm going to show you just how to do that and order that album in just a few clicks without having to download Photoshop templates or upload to a different lab software or anything. You can do it all within Fundy Designer, and I'll show you how to do that. So how do we make sure you get the exact crop you want on your cover? It's as simple as this. Here we have a cover template. Let's show you how we got here. Click the design wizard. Let's go ahead and replace this album. Let's do a 10x8 album. Let's go ahead and do a metal cover for this album and click design project. Now, if you don't like this image to be on the cover, obviously we can just swap that out. Let's go ahead and double click on the cover. And then in order to see the cover template, which we can right now, if you don't see this, hit the G key and you'll see grid lines. It will disappear and then you can bring that back. So right here we have the actual size that you will see printed on your album cover. And this gray area represents the leather or velvet or whatever cover material will be on that album. So if I want to reveal a little bit more of the car here, I'm just going to move that to the right and drop that right there. And it's as easy as that. And the great thing about all of these cover templates, if you order from Miller's, they're all included in Fundy Designer. And once you finish, you can simply click export and then order direct from the lab. You don't even have to leave the Fundy Designer ecosystem. Order direct to Miller's and you pay the same price as you would at Miller's. It's just a lot easier. So if you want to know how to order an album just like this without downloading any Photoshop templates or having to go through a complicated software in the ordering process, we hope this helped you out. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.